Hey guys, I'm back with another episode of Chainsaw Man. Before we jump into this episode, as always, please feel free to check out my Patreon. You can find that in the description below. Yeah, just came off a really intense episode of Chainsaw Man. The last episode really took me by surprise. The way everything's being directed right now, I honestly can say I love it. And I really do love the aesthetic and the vibe, and Map is doing such a great job, but this show's really starting to hit me in the feels now too. I really saw none of that coming, and just in true chaotic Chainsaw Man fashion, it's just super chaotic. And just everything's so fast and happening, and they really do get you to love these characters because they give these characters a lot of heart. And the show has this grounds of being very real to more real world element and not very I mean there's fantasy elements to it, but I don't know, it just does such a great job at humanizing everything, which I feel just makes it just hits you in the feels even more when something like what happened last episode happened. Is she gone now? Is Makima alive? Denji got shot. Aki's basically about to die. I really just want to jump into this next episode as fast as possible to see how this plays out. But yeah, overall, I mean, I am really loving the show. It's just so much is happening that I can't really put into words at the moment. But yeah, after last episode, I really just want to jump into this one. So yeah, episode 9. Let's just get right into this next episode. Oh, are they gonna show it again? The thing is, it's everything too. It's the music, the ambience. Is that what her ghost looks like in full form? Oh my god, I have the chills just watching it again. It's just this whole sequence felt so I don't know, beautiful. We're after the chainsaw? Oh, what does this mean? Oh, no way. She's gonna pull the chainsaw cord? Oh my god. That was actually kind of sick. Oh, that's how they do it? This time? Why does everyone want him so bad? Oh god, now his track is getting in. Oh shit. The show does this. Whenever it's Denji, they open up the episode with him like this. Oh my god. A second time. Am I dumb? We've never met this guy, right? Oh shit. Oh, we're gonna get an opening now, right? Oh. Oh my god. Bro. Oh, fuck. I really like how, both of their, I don't know, they seem very, similar. Oh, now we're getting into it. Oh. I love, fights when both characters are very, evenly, I don't know. They just feel kind of similar aesthetics. Rivals almost. Of course there's more. Oh. What the hell are these guys? Damn! He's too quick. So is he. Oh shit, this music. Oh my god. Show me the animation. Let's go, Mappa. How is this guy not freaking out? Look at the chainsaws. And who is this guy? Oh, he doesn't care. Nah, he's playing. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. That was kind of sick, but like that? He's just holding him look at this. Who is this guy? Why is he so quick like that? Like, how do you even beat that? Why doesn't he just do that all the time? Oh god, what the fuck? Why is he drooping? So this guy was the guy at the table. Alright, well, it feels like we lost, and where's Aki? And all of our other people are getting shot at? Like, what the hell? This is depressing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the music on the show is amazing. Like, some of my favorite. Oh! Oh, Alright. So there's more to her. It's gonna just be her standing there, right? Or not? Oh. Oh wow, so she's hiding it. Oh, what did she do to them? Yes, but why does everyone want the chainsaw? Something's gonna happen, right? There's no way it's gonna be this easy. Oh, fuck. What? Oh. Oh, they don't have her body. Oh! Who's doing this? Someone with the birds? Oh god, I love this, like, this music. Is she doing this? I think she is. There's the birds. Wait. Wow. What if the guy on the other side said it? Is this like a trade thing? Oh, this guy's next. Why isn't she picking the other guy, though? Or why the henchman? Ah! Oh, I think it is. Could she, like, use other bodies? It's like an exchange thing. Oh my god. They don't even know what's happening. Because they're all blindfolded. Oh my god! What is she? This is insane. Hopefully she's not going to use the other ones too. Oh. This is so brutal, I love it. It's pretty dark. Damn. Look at Denji's only half a body. And what about these two? Why can't she do it to these two? Are they like... Is it because they're... like not human? Yeah, they fucked up. She knows she's doing this stuff though. Because she said Makima. So she knows of her gifts. Ugh. That aesthetic looks so good though after everything we just saw her do. Oh my god. She says this all with that face. Wow. Well, things change drastically. Man, she's dangerous. That's a gift. That's quite the gift. Ooh. Oh, okay, she survived. Oh. Oh man, no. Why do they do this to us? They give us these characters and then... Ooh. She's the shy one too. Oh, there's music. She's about to do something. Oh god. Damn! Oh, she's sick. Fuck. She better live. She's using Denji's body. Wow. She's way more gifted than I thought. Oh. I kind of like how they like concealed that. Like, clearly she's got talents, but they made her out to be like this shy character. That was epic as hell. And then the other girl like sacrifices like body parts too for the snake to reveal. Like she's losing her fingernails. Damn old lady. Oh. Man, this is like heartbreaking, but it's like epic at the same time. The mix of emotions. After all that, everything you've seen. Yeah, not very many special divisions. What's with all of them having like these perfect scars? Oh, they're gonna make one just big division now? Oh, and she's in command. Resignation. Yeah, I don't blame anyone who wants to quit now. They said only non-humans survived. Does that mean she was a non-human? Did she want this? Oh, wow. Something feels odd. She kind of scares me now. Oh, this song. There's been so many endings, I have to rewatch them all before I can say like anything more specific. But overall, like that, I really love this one. I think the song overall was one of my favorites. That was a really good ending, closing. Yeah, well, we learned a little bit more about her character, Makima, and well, I guess I don't know with this show. I mean, first thing I'll say is I loved this episode, and I really do enjoy this show a lot. The thing is, it's just my brain watching this, like, there's just so much happening. It feels like there's just so many like twists and turns, and Mappa is doing so good. Like every sequence, like every scene is like an art piece. And her abilities, like what is she? Like what can she do? What's her technical thing? And then she kind of scares me a little bit now. Like now I'm thinking like the guy said, how much could she anticipate? Now I'm thinking she like maybe wanted this to happen so she could have her, because now she's in charge of the bigger, like they're putting all the team together. Now she's in charge of this team. Did she want that? I don't know, things just feel very like odd now with her. I already had some like questionable things about her, but now even more so. Just like the way she's, they've been like setting her character up with the whole Denji thing, and apparently like everyone wants the chainsaw. Like that's who they were after. They were after Denji. Well, I don't know if they're after Denji or if they're just after Pochita or Chainsaw, but yeah, I mean, oh my god, how do I even like discuss everything that we just saw? You can't really do that. You can only like watch it like this. It's kind of like watching like a film or like an art piece. Like this show is truly in like art form. It's so beautiful, and the music, so many like twists and turns everywhere. This is definitely a show I would recommend, but not like, I guess, to ever like, I don't know how to put it into words. Like this is not your typical show at all, and that's why I love it so much. It's not something you see every day, and it's, at least to me, my type of like style, like I've said in the past. But overall, yeah, I really like where everything's going. And it's funny because like last episode's beginning, I talked about how this show feels like it's more of like a foundation. Now everything I feel like just exploded and it has like expanded. I mean, we're losing characters now. We're still only in like the beginning, the second half of the first season. So who knows what else comes with this story. I mean, based on what I've seen already, and it's only the first season of this show, what else is written into this? Like, oh my god, I'm so eager to watch more of Chainsaw Man. Like, it's just one of like those universes, like for me personally, I really enjoy like everything about it. I like the style, I like the themes, I like the story, I like the plot. It's definitely, I feel like, not for everybody. And I know it's a little dark and twisted at times, but I don't know. I really like the aesthetic of this show, and it's definitely something you're not going to see often, so you need to kind of cherish it a bit. And it's like a specific type of art. So it is really nice to watch this with like you guys, so I can see your guys' perspective on things too. I like listening to what you guys say too, because overall, if you're watching this with me, it means you really love this just like I do. So I feel comfortable telling you guys like how I feel about everything that's happening, because I know you guys probably have maybe not exact similar interests as me, but we can definitely probably relate to a lot of these things that are happening. But yeah, I really just can't like believe everything I'm seeing right now. It seems like things are really opening up now. I mean, like I said, the show was already chaotic before, but it just keeps escalating and escalating. I tend to talk in circles a lot after like these episodes, especially particularly this show, because I don't really know like how to put what I've seen into words. It's more of like I have to show you. It's hard to describe like my feelings towards it. It's more of like I feel it like in here, but finding the right words is very difficult. Overall, all I can really just say is it really fits my aesthetic, and I cannot wait to see more. Like, I do love this show. I know it's only been a couple episodes, but I do really like it a lot. Mainly for like creative reasons too. Like it's just like I keep saying over and over again. I know I've said this too many times, but it's like an art. But yeah, overall, really enjoyed this episode. It's like a mix of depressing but like epic, and just so many feelings everywhere. But I really do like this show a lot. And I hope you guys are enjoying these reactions with me. But yeah, overall, I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll catch you guys for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. Have a good one, guys.